In the today's video, we will see how to convert Word file to picture, or we can say text to picture. So without wasting much time, let's start the video. You can see I have written here a text. So I'm just selecting it, right click on it, click on cut. Here we have paste option. Click on it, go to paste spatial option and choose picture enhanced meta file. Click on OK. Now it's pasted as a picture. You can see it's pasted as a picture. So just select it, right click and go to save as a picture. I am giving name as A. And here you can choose any format that you want. I am choosing first one PNG and click on save. So we'll check whether it's saved or not. As we can see, a.png is saved. You can see it's saved as a picture. Close it. Again, we will save. Right click, go to save as a picture. I am giving name as a B and we'll save this as a TIF format and click on save. Yes friends, you can see this also this also text saved in a picture format. It's format as a TIF. So hope this video is helpful to you. If yes, please share this video with your friends and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.